What's up, everybody? Christy here with Christy Outdoors, just here in Coon Rapids, Iowa, hiking at Whiterock Conservancy, checking out an old log cabin from the 1930s. Gonna fly the drone, bring you some footage. It's beautiful out here, right along the river, a bunch of ponds. It's old farmland. It's just amazing, but I'm getting a little winded, so I'm not gonna sing the theme song. So somebody please roll the intro.
Christy Outdoors, Christy Outdoors, Christy Outdoors, Christy Outdoors. I like to explore, so join me outdoors. It's Christy Outdoors.
Well, guys, that will about do it for this episode of Christy Outdoors. Just exploring here at Whiterock Conservancy. Beautiful up here. I'm in Iowa, but it's almost time to go back to the 850. I only have a few more days left here, but I've had tenderloin, I've went camping, I've explored the great outdoors. Time to get back to the 850. We'll see you soon.